Hello friends, welcome to Digital Danny, and in this video, as you have seen the title, I'm going to tell you how you can make your computer fast, your laptop, your desktop, how you can just make it run faster. And let's start the video. So here we will start with opening Google, and we will type CC Cleaner, C Cleaner, and you have to come on this website and you have to download this software. And this software, what it will do, it will remove all the temporary file or the junk files which are in your computer, and by this you will see that your computer will become very fast and it will operate very faster than it was operating before. So I would recommend you to just download this software. This software comes in two versions. This one is C Cleaner Free and the other version is C Professional. So for the starting, you can go with this software C Cleaner because it somewhere works pretty well. Like I have used personally, and I have seen that around 30% of the performance is increased, and it really helps you to start your computer faster and to make it little quick than before. So you should download this software, and it doesn't have any virus, and it is very trustworthy software. You can see that it is downloaded by 2.5 billion people, and the ratings are very good. And see what are the number of downloads which has been done per week. So it is really good software. It is faster startup, better performance, and many more things which you can do by using the software. I have already installed the software. I'll just show you its quick demo. So you have to go over here and you have to go here, custom clean, and you have to click this analyze button. When you will click this analyze button, you will see that uh, Google Chrome need to be closed. Okay, we can close Google Chrome because basically it will say you to disclose remove close all the applications which need to be done so that it can perform everything better. See, you can see 676 MB to be removed. In some cases you will see that 3 GB, 4 GB of chunk data which is not important for your temporary internet files, history, cookies, thumbnail cache. All these files are not required for you to not required in your computer. So you can just click after analyzation, you can just click run cleaner and select the file okay. Don't worry about this, you can just continue, and you will see that this will clean up your software maybe in 5-10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes, but it will actually help you to clean your software which are consuming a lot of junk files which are not useful in your computer or laptop. So just use it. It doesn't take much time, maybe 15 minutes. So you can see cleaning complete. It just took 27 seconds and your computer is cleaned. You can another go for analyzation, and you'll see if there are still temporary files which need to be removed, it will remove that. Okay, analyzation is done. So there are very other plenty of options are also. Registry is there, tools is there. You can see all sort of options in this software, and options are there. You can also upgrade to the pro version, or you can just go with a free trial. You can just go to this website ccleaner.com, and this is really good. You can also schedule in this. See, if you will go here, but the scheduler is available for the pro version. So once you buy a pro version, you will see a scheduler. So what will the scheduler do is it will automatically remove the junk file from your computer whenever it is available for it to clean. So yes, nice. This is really good, which you should go. I personally like this software. Apart from this, there are also many other softwares which you can use, but I personally like this CCleaner, and you should definitely try this. Apart from this, there are many ways by which you can clean your computer. So I'll tell you one more quick thing which can speed up your computer in case you don't have the software with you, or you don't have internet connection sometimes. So what you have to do, you have to just press window key and R. I will write in the description, window R, and you have to write this TAMP, and you have to hit enter. So when you will hit that, you will see there are a lot of files over here which are temporary files. So you don't need all these temporary files in your computer. You can just select all and you can delete all these files. So once this is done, okay, so these are one of the ways by which you can clean your computer. You don't have to use any hardcore trick or anything else. You have to just use this command, and that's it. Also, you should regularly check your recycle bin, and you can clean that also. So you have to just select all and you have to delete. But before just completing this command, just make sure that you don't have any important files which you have by chance deleted and it comes into recycle bin. And when you open recycle bin, you have to check manually that any file which is not required for you, you can just go ahead and delete that file too. So are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Yes, I want to delete it. You can go over here and you can go and delete all these files permanently. Okay, so shift delete. You can do one more thing also. You can just go over here and you can say run CCleaner on this. So you can do that also, and the cleaner will work and it will remove all the junk files in your computer. So that's it for this video. I hope you would go on this website and just check out this software, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on bringing videos for you like this, which is helpful for you and help you in your technical and digital life. So that's it. You can just try this website. You can go over here and just download. The size of the software is also not that much. It will maybe under 50 MB or maybe 100 MB maximum. That's it. But it's a very light software. You can just go over here and just and download the software. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our video, just hit the subscribe button. Also comment down what kind of new video you want to see and what all videos you want to see on this channel. And we are planning a lot of things on this channel to bring you more information. Also I will be posting daily videos, so just hit the subscribe button and put the notification bell on so that you don't miss any update from our channel. And thank you so much for watching Digital Nanny, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. See you. Take care.